Here is the question. We have to find the dimension of the range, and you see range is ax minus xa. So we write the range equals to ax minus xa, and a is given in the question. a is uh, a is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1, and we have to take x, and you see here x belongs to M4R. M4R means a matrix of size 4 into 4. So let us take a matrix of size 4 into 4, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4, C1, C2, C3, C4, D1, D2, D3, D4, and thereafter you see a minus sign, and after minus sign you have to write xa, that is xa. You see x is this matrix, so a1, a2, a3, a4, b1, b2, b3, b4, c1, c2, c3, c4, d1, d2, d3, d4, and again you have to write a. So a is, you see here, 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 minus 1, and now you simplify this, and you will get, here is a1. Here first thing will be a1, a2, a1, a2, a3, a4, and from here you will get a1. So a1 minus a1 is 0, and the second entry will be here a2, and from here you will have a2. So a2 minus a2 is again a 0, and the next third will be a3, and here will be minus a3. So a3 minus a3, but here is also a minus sign, so here will be 2a3, and the fourth will be, here you see fourth will be a4, and here the fourth will be minus a4, and here is minus sign, so here will be 2a4 again. Now we go for the second. In the second you have b1, and here you will have b1, so b1 minus b1 is 0, and here will be second row, second entry, that will be b2, and from here will be b2, so again a 0. The third will be b3, and here will be minus b3, so 2b3, because here is also a minus sign, and if you write the fourth, then this will be b4, and from here you will get b4, because here is minus, so there will be 2b4. And now we go for the third row. In the third row you have minus c1, minus c1, minus c1, minus c2, minus c3, minus c4, and in this, for the third row, you have c1, and c1, c2, minus c3, minus c4, and if you subtract, then this will be 0, so 0, again this will give a 0, sorry, not a 0, here subtraction will be minus minus C1 minus C1 minus 2C1. Here will be minus 2C2 and here will be 0 0. Now the last row. If you go for the last row, then we have from this part will be minus D1 minus D2 minus D3 minus D4, and from this part for the last you will get D1 D1 D2 D3 D3 minus D3 and here minus D4, and if you subtract, then this will be minus 2D1 and here subtraction will give us minus 2D2. Here will be 0 and 0. In this you see 8 distinct symbols: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the answer will be 8, and here you see the dimension of the range of TA will be 8. So 8 is the right answer.